Before the machine runs, please add 40 liters of number 68 anti-wear hydraulic oil in the oil tank. Usually, excavators also use this oil. Left and right oil pressure regulating valves. Tightening is to increase the pressure, and loosening is to decrease the pressure. The pressure value is usually set in the range of 20 to 30 MPa, according to the mold size. One step on the electric board and connect the machine to start welding work. Choose machine foot press, control the machine head to align up and down. Press the plastic pedal, connect the oil pressure, and the oil pressure starts to work. 3. Synchronizer, adjust and control the fusion effect. 4. Temperature controller, adjust and control the temperature of the mold. 5. High frequency timer, controlling the time of fusion effect, usually 2 to 6 seconds. 6. Cooling timer, controlling the time of oil pressure pressing. After all the parameters are set, can start making labels. Prepare the TPU vinyl. Then use TPU logo protect position film and TPU logo hot melt film. Then lay it flat under the mold. Foot press machine foot press, the mold will be pressed down on TPU vinyl. If TPU vinyl makes a lot of noise in the process of molding TPU vinyl, it is caused by setting too high current. Please lower the current. Release the right foot after molding. This step is to fixed position and remove waste. Finally, we will heat press the transfer label onto the fabric. Place the fabric flat under the mold. Align the transfer label with the mold and lightly fasten it onto it. Then, foot press machine foot press. Finally, tear open the TPU position film. Finished.